now Wednesday, second day of continuous rain. If we didn't have COVID, this was the week I was going to spend most of the time working on the boat, but it doesn't make much difference, does it? We've had a lull in the rain, and we seem to be winning on the moss front. Looks like we've still got a way to go. Can't really get rid of it all yet. Oh, it's just as tidy as I left her. I would have sworn that we would be low on the lithium house bank, but despite the incessant rain, the longer daylight hours have made a difference. Well, half the panels are covered up, so we haven't done too bad. I've plugged the battery charger in now, so that'll make a contribution. Our granddad's happy to be out of his house and back at the boat. Just getting rid of the last little bit of paint inside the bushes. Well, the chain plate is installed just there. You can tell when I've started varnishing. I'll put another piece of tape up as a drip stop. So hopefully first coat. I told Grandad he had to hold the brush for the rest of the day. Maybe I'll find some terps in a pot. Can't go to Mitre 10 for lunch, so we'll use up some old cans. Granddad's not allowed to relax. Between rain showers, giving a light sand to the damaged top coat, and then we'll take the masking off. This side's not bad, it's the other side that got badly hit by the rain. One day we'll get a good day so we can redo it. Most of the masking came off pretty well, but it's stuff like this which is going to be a right real pain. I need to clean up this excess butyl sealant. time for a second coat. It's soaked in very well. 2 coats. We'll give it a sand tomorrow and put more on. I've varnished the woodwork in here. Grandad tells me he can't finish yet because he's not finished. Having spent yesterday afternoon taking the tape off, we're putting it back on. Managed to have a bit of a paint spill. Never mind, Kiwi Grip will cover a wealth of evils. Right, all done. Sore back, sore knees, no rain. The base of the mast is looking a bit better. Look, nice and shiny. Slight textured finish, just as I like it. It seems shiny. Let's hope it stays that way. It's midday, so it's got plenty of time to harden up, as long as the rain stays away. And this side is where we've just finished. Sand and then a 3rd coat of varnish. I believe we have a success this time. So we've taken the tape off.